Goeienaand graad 9's. Ons is klaar met produkte en vanaand begin ons met faktoriseer. Produkte is daar waar ons die EBA metode gebruik het. We did products and that's where we used the FOIL method. I'm going to explain products quickly by means of an practical example. When you go to your biology class, then sometimes you've got to bisect some animals. Say for instance you take a rabbit and you tear it apart because you want to see all the things a rabbit consists of. Then we name the process in mathematics factorization. You take things apart. Ons vat ietsie in ons maak hom in sy dele. Ons trek hom uit mekaar uit. The products that we've done already is where you take all these parts and you stitch them all together again. So as jy mooi dink aan jou pyltjie metode, jou EBA of jou FOIL method, then it's literally like a needle where you work something together again. So produkte sit ons weer iets vas aan mekaar and that's what we've done up to now. But now we've got to take this product and we're going to tear it apart and that's factorization. Ek gaan die haas in sy dele dissekteer. So let's start with that mathematically. First thing that's very important when you factorize is to make sure that you are sure of how many terms are there in the expression. Hoeveel terme tel jy hier? Hier's 1 term, 2 term. Daar's 2 terme in daai algebraïese uitdrukking. So the question is, what can I take out of that 12 and 8? Wat kan ek uithaal uit 12 en 8? Die grootste ding that I can take out of 8 and 12, both of them, the biggest thing that I can take out of both. So let's start. Take the smaller one and ask yourself, 8 kan ek uit 8 uithaal, maar kan ek hom by 12 uithaal? No, I can't. So now you go to the next factor of 8. That's 4. 4 kan ek uit 8 uithaal, 2 maal, en ek kan 3 4's uit 12 uithaal. So I'm the common factor that I can take out of both equals 4. Ek kan groepies van 4 uit 12 uithaal, 3 van hulle, en ek kan groepies van 4 uit 8 uithaal, net 2 van hulle. So I'm happy with the 4. That's the biggest thing. Now, when you go to the x's, you ask yourself the same question. What's the biggest number of x's that I can take out of both? That will always be, always, the smallest exponent. Want ek kan 2 x'e uit x kwadraat uithaal, and I can take 2 x's out of x to the power of 5. I can take 2 out. Then there's 3 left. So let's take out 2. Ek kan nie meer as 2 uithaal nie, want hier's net 2. That's my highest common factor. Wanneer jy hom uitgehaal het, dan maak jy dadelik 'n hakie. Make a bracket. Now you ask yourself. 12 divided by 4 gives me 3. X squared divided by x squared gives me 1, so it's only 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 8 divided by 4 gives me 2. X to the power of 5 divided with x squared. How many x's are left if I took 2 out? 3 of them. And I'm done. I factorized. Kom ons doen dieselfde ding hier. Ek het 15 en 3. Wat is die grootste ding wat ek uit al twee uit kan haal? Only 3. A to the power of 4, a to the power of 1. The smallest exponent I must use is a to the power of 1. B tot die mag 6, b kwadraat. Die kleinste eksponent is b kwadraat. Maak dadelik my af. 15 gedeel deur 3 Gee vir my 5. A, I took 1 out of there, there's 3 left. B, I took 2 out of there, there's 4 left. Minus, I took the 3 out there. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. Not necessary to write the 1, maar jy kan hom skryf as jy wil. The A I took out there. There it is. A divided by A gives me 1. B squared divided by B squared gives me 1. So 1 times 1 equals 1. En graad 9's, jy moet daai 1 skryf. You must write the 1 now. Because 3AB squared divided by 3AB squared gives me 1. You must write the 1. Jy moet hom skryf. Want as jy hom nie skryf nie, and you work the rabbit together again, you're not going to get a rabbit. You're going to get a rabbit without ears and legs. Baie belangrik. Jy moet die 1 skryf, want as jy weer die haas aan mekaar werk, gaan jy, as jy die 1 vergeet, 'n haas skryf sonder bene en ore. Okay, let's do the next one. Let's underline the 2 terms. Baie belangrik. Now, this one looks a little bit strange. Maar hy is nie te moeilik vir ons nie. Kom ons gaan kyk, wat kom in al 2 hierdie terme voor? What's in both the terms that you can see? Clearly, it's the bracket A plus B. So we take it out. It's the common factor. Dis die gemeenskaplike faktor. Make a bracket immediately. Always, when you factorize, after the common factor, you make a bracket. As jy die gemeenskaplike factor uitgehaal het, dan maak jy daar 'n kamer. What's left if I take A plus B out of that term? Net X. That's left. Minus, wat is oor as ek A plus B uit daai term uithaal? Net only the Y. And I'm done factorizing. Faktorisering graad 9's is baie lekker. Kom ons gaan oefen dit. Sien julle môre.